live on NFL Network.
I gotta put my rainbow sandals away after Halloween. Road trips are cool.
Giant chicken dinner.
This is a really fun job.
Tonight formation behind Sanchez and a mix-up in the backfield. Sanchez, has the ball, and down he goes.
Mark Sanchez scrambles up the middle, lost the football. Sanchez gets hit, the ball is loose.
Patriots pick up the fumble, running into the end zone for a touchdown.
Are you kidding me?
It just wasn't my day. He came in and played his butt off.
I've never seen this before in my life.
He turned and ran right into the back of Brandon Moore, and the ball popped out, and Gregory picks it up and runs it in for a touchdown.
And played his butt off.
Remember the old football follies thing they used to put together?
Yep.
This is it. You're getting a chance to see it live tonight. These are some of the most bizarre plays you'll ever see.
He came in and played his butt off.
Yes. Misfortune that will live in infamy. The New York Post from the next morning after that Thanksgiving night game said it all. But ugly. Sanchez gaffe, part of heinous loss to
I'll laugh
Patriots.
every time I see that, man.